Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn an important math skill, addition. What is addition? Addition is the process of combining numbers to make a larger number. We put together things to see how many are in total. We use different names like plus, add and total. The addition symbol is a plus sign. It is placed between numbers to show that they should be added together. The equal symbol tells us that both sides of the equation represent the same value. We can make an addition equation using these symbols and numbers. For example, 3 plus 6 equals 9. Let's use apples for doing our addition. We have 5 apples, and if we add 2 more apples to it, how many do we have in total? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are total 7 apples together. Addition means putting things together. Now let's use our fingers to learn addition. Choose 2 small numbers to add like 3 and 4. Show 3 fingers on one hand and 4 fingers on the other hand. Now count all the fingers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The total is 7. Let's use dice to learn addition. Take 2 dice and roll them. Look at the dots on each dice. The first has 3 dots and the second one has 5 dots. These dots represent numbers. Now combine these numbers by adding them together. That's 3 plus 5 equals 8. When you add the numbers from both dice together, you get a bigger number. Let's use counters to do addition. Set up 2 groups of counters. You can use buttons, beans, or any chips, plastic chips you have at home. Place 3 counters in one group and 2 counters in another group. Count each group separately. There are 3 in the first group, 2 in the second group. Now let's combine these 2 groups of counters together. That's 3 in the first group and 2 in the second group makes 5 counters overall total. Let's use a tens frame. A tens frame is a grid with 2 rows of 5 boxes. 10 boxes in total, and each box can hold a counter. The goal here is to see how many counters fill up the frame when we add numbers. Count the counters in the first frame. There are 5 counters in the first frame and there are 6 counters in the second frame. Now we need to count the total number of counters in both the frames. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's use a number line to learn addition. Draw a line and mark it with numbers from 0 to 10 or more depending on the numbers you are adding. Place your finger on or a marker on the first number in the addition problem. For example, here it's 2. Then next, move your finger forward as many steps as the second number. That's 3. So you move forward your finger 3 places. So start at 2 and jump forward 3 steps. Then you will land on 5, which is the answer. Addition without regrouping. This is when the sum of the digits in each place value is less than or equal to 9. This means you don't need to carry over any numbers to the next place value. Here you add the digits in the ones place first. That's 5 plus 4, 9. And the digits in the tens place, that's 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 39. No regrouping is needed because each sum is less than 10. Addition with regrouping is when the sum of the digits in a place value is 10 or more. In this case, you carry over the extra value to the next place value. For example, let's add 39 and 17. First add the numbers in the ones place, that's 9 plus 7, that's 16. Write down 6 in ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. At the tens place now 3 plus 1, that's 4. Plus the 1 you carried over, that equals 5. Write down 5 in the tens place. 39 plus 17 is 56. Here we regroup because the sum of the ones place was more than 10. Thank you for supporting me. Please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to Leave your comments in the comment section and please like and share our video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks again.